The mask is coming back to our schools. JCPS in a big way for everybody in less than a month. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining us on the WHAS 11 Night Team. I'm Doug Proffitt. A packed crowd voicing their opposition and support tonight. But the school board was buttoned up, unanimous on the question, even if you've had the vaccines. WHAS 11 Night Team's Tom Lally is joining us live tonight and covered the meeting. Tom, why was there extra security there tonight?
Yeah, I asked JCPS that question, and they said because of how recent meetings have gone and that threat made against the superintendent, they added it as an extra precaution. As for parents who spoke out tonight, they were vocal, as they have been in a lot of these recent meetings. But this time, they were met with a decision from the board. Meeting had a feisty start. Superintendent Dr. Polio mentioned masks, and it was met with boos. The crowd was told that's unacceptable.
Dr. Polio, please continue.
One man was even escorted out after yelling from the crowd. Then came actual speakers.
I believe that you are failing the kids in our district.
Majority of parents spoke against requiring masks in schools. One woman addressed the board this way.
Be brave. Take that mask off your face. You're not going to get sick tonight.
And I'm very concerned about the educational, social, emotional, and physiological impact wearing masks all day will have on my sons.
Even COVID is sparing the students. You can too by voting against mask requirement.
Several parents did support mask wearing, though in the list of speakers, they were not the majority.
I want to remind everyone here that we protect not only children who cannot yet get vaccinated, but all of the most vulnerable people in our society.
When it comes to equity and how we address these health disparities, universal masking, as recommended by Dr. Polio, is the safest direct option that can be taken.
On both sides, speakers were passionate, many going overtime, and the board cut their mic.
Take note.
Thank you.
Neighbor after neighbor speaking out and butting heads, bringing one board member to quote Mr. Rogers.
Would you be my neighbor?
Encouraging parents and children to be kind to their neighbors.
Our kids are ready to get back to their neighbors. They're ready to get back to their friends.
In the end, Superintendent Dr. Polio shared the district's recommendations, including universal mask requirements. Then the decision went to the board.
All those in favor of the motion, would you please raise your hands? It's unanimous. Thank you. The motion passes.
JCPS students and staff will be required to wear masks in schools this semester. And the decision goes past just masks. It also includes vaccination clinics, physical distancing, and isolation. We've got all of that, or we will soon, up on our website. For the WHAS 11 Night Team, I'm Tom Lally.